Good morning, children. How are you all? Hope you all might be fine and safe in your home. So, today, children, in grammar, we are going to do prefixes that is given in chapter 28 words. So, let us know what is a prefix. So, a prefix it is a word which is added to the beginning of a word to make a new word. So, children, prefixes they can be a word that means they can be of one letter also. The word it can be of one letter also, and it can be a group of letters. So you know that a group of letters that make a word, and those words when they are added to the beginning of any word, okay, they make a new word. As you can see here, re is made up of two letters, and when we add it to the beginning of any letter of any word, then that will make a new word. Like if we write start and in the beginning of that we write re, okay, we add re, then it becomes restart. That means again. Re means again, again start. Then un is also a prefix. Then this is also a prefix. So un means not, and this means opposite of. When we add this to any word, it becomes the opposite of that word, and un also makes the opposite of that word. Now see, again let us revise. What is a prefix? A word part added at the beginning of a base word to change the meaning of that word. That is a prefix. Like here pre means before, re means again. Let us see some more prefixes. Now see here prefix re. Let us know the meaning of re. Meaning of re is again. And when we add it to the base word write, it becomes rewrite. Okay, rewrite means again write. What happens when you have been given in grammar any question and it is given rewrite the sentence? Then what you do? You write it again. Then the next one is un. So what is the meaning of un? Un means not. And when we add it, suppose we have added here in this example given, un is added to kind. So what it means? Unkind. Unkind means not kind. Okay. Then here you have pre. Pre means before. So when we add to the word made, it becomes pre-made. That means it was made before. This means not or opposite of. This plus honest becomes dishonest. Suppose the person is not honest, that means he is dishonest person. Like obedient, you know the disobedient boy. Then im also means the same thing, not or opposite of. Opposite of polite is impolite. The person is not polite, talks rudely, that is impolite. Then non also means not, nonsense, that does not make any sense. Then we have miss, miss, that means wrong or bad. Like misbehave, that means the person is not behaving nicely. Okay, that is badly behaved. So that is misbehave. Now see here some more. This means not, do not. Okay, not means, see here, agree. When we have added in that prefix dis, it becomes disagree. The person is not agreeing. Wrong means spell. That means not spelled nicely. The spelling is wrong. Then oversleep. It means too much sleep. Okay, we should not oversleep. Then rewind. Rewinding the cassette. And to listen it again. Okay. Then possible. If we add im in that, it becomes impossible. First it was possible for her to drive the, what is that? It is on the fish. Okay, the girl is sitting on the fish. So it is impossible to sit and ride on a fish. It is not a camel. Then we have fiction, not fiction. It's not a fiction story, non-fiction. It becomes non-fiction. Add non in that, non-fiction. Then write, pre-write. So some of you, what you do, you write the work before and then come in the class. So that is before, pre-write. Then happy, if you add none in that, un in that, it becomes unhappy. That means the person is not happy, sad. Then let us see. See more example with un. So unwell, unhappy, uncomfortable, uncertain, not knowing what to do. Okay, unhelpful, the person is not helpful. We should be helpful. Okay, we should be kind, but the person is unkind. Untidy, unchanged, unchained, unsafe, unlucky. So what happened here? We have added un and made the opposite of the word. Well, unwell, uncomfortable, uncomfortable, helpful, uncomfortable, kind, unkind, tidy, untidy, happy, unhappy, certain, uncertain, lucky, unlucky, safe, unsafe, chained, unchained. Now let us see. See here. We will make sentence with that. Okay, adding the suffix we are going prefix, we are going to make sentence like misjudge. If I have misjudged you, I am terribly sorry. The person is saying that if I have not judged you properly, then I am very sorry. Rewrite. My boss told me to rewrite the report. So to rewrite the report, again write the report. Re means write, re means again. Means you know that not, and then mid, the middle of. So midnight, midday. We reached Paris at midnight, at the middle of the night. Then semi-final. Semi added to final becomes semi-final. That means not final before that. So Germany became first team to score 7 goals in a World Cup semi-final. Unlock. Added to lock, it becomes unlock. They now believe this drug is unsafe for animals. So unlock, unsafe. Here the sentence is made with unsafe. So they now believe this drug is unsafe for animals. That means it is not safe for animals. Non-specific, non-verbal. So people often express our emotions non-verbally. So what is the meaning of that? The person are expressing their emotions and they are not able to speak it. So that is non-verbally. Then overload. The server is overloaded. So too much messages over there, or many people are talking, so the server is overloaded. Is more than what it can tolerate. Then irregular, irresponsible. So I don't like learning irregular verbs. Irregular verbs, or which are not regular verbs, or irresponsible, not responsible. So it also means the same not. So I think you might have understood what is the meaning of prefix. So what is prefix? Prefixes are the word or a group of letters or a letter which is added in the beginning of the word to make a new word. So that is a prefix. So thank you everyone. Have a good day.